The Woodpeckers Hexscale rule is a multifunctional measuring tool ideal for woodworking. It features right-to-left and left-to-right scales, center finding, and both inch and metric graduations. Its center finding ruler eliminates guesswork by aligning edges for precision. Perfect for joinery or mounting hardware, this rule ensures versatile and accurate measurements. Designed with an architectural style, the Hexscale is a must-have for professional woodworkers seeking precision and ease of use. The Woodpeckers inDexable square system is perfect for precision work. It includes a 450mm stainless steel rule and an XL combination square head for 45° and 90° angles. Laser cut guides and engraved graduations ensure lasting accuracy. The sliding head locks securely for scribing, and the set is customizable with additional components. Made in the USA, this durable tool is ideal for both professionals and DIYers who need accuracy and versatility. The Tupia Bosch GOF 130 router is a powerful tool for woodworking applications. It features an adjustable immersion depth of 55mm and runs at a speed of 11,000 to 28,000 revolutions per minute. Powered electrically, this tool is designed for precision and efficiency. Ideal for shaping, grooving, or decorative edges, it is a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The Trend EasyScribe is a versatile scribing tool for various applications like doors, flooring, and tiling. It features an adjustable offset for precise marking and a thin guide plate for tight spaces. The flat base ensures stable scribing, while a narrow pencil line delivers precision. With effortless adjustments and spare graphite refills, this tool is perfect for achieving accurate and consistent results in your projects. The Preciva T-Bevel gauge and protractor combines accuracy and ease of use. It measures angles from 0 to 338° with high precision. The digital display allows easy reading, and the lockable knob ensures accurate angle replication. 2 bubble levels ensure proper alignment, while the auto power-off feature conserves battery life. This user-friendly tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The HOTO self-lock tape measure offers effortless and accurate measurements. Its self-locking blade ensures stability while measuring, and the retract button allows smooth rewinding. The blade is durable, with a matte finish for clear reading and a corrosion-resistant coating. Lightweight and impact-resistant, this tape measure is perfect for professionals and DIY users looking for precision and convenience. The Milwaukee Cordless track saw kit is perfect for woodworking projects. Powered by an 18-volt cordless system, it offers precision cutting with a high-speed steel blade. Designed for wood applications, it delivers consistent performance without the hassle of cords. This durable tool is ideal for carpenters and professionals who need flexibility and efficiency in their cutting tasks. The DEWALT Max XR impact driver is a powerful tool for fastening jobs. Its brushless motor delivers 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and a variable speed of up to 3,400 revolutions per minute. A 3-speed setting offers pro-level control, while built-in LED lights brighten dark workspaces. This durable and versatile tool is perfect for tough job site applications. The Makita cordless multi-tool is versatile and efficient for various tasks. It features variable speed control, oscillation for faster cutting and sanding, and a large on-off switch for convenience. Compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, it includes adapters for other accessories. Its ergonomic design ensures easy handling, making it ideal for cutting, sanding, and more. The T-Square Carpenter tool combines 6 essential tools in one compact accessory. It functions as a square, protractor, marking gauge, ruler, and drill gauge, saving time and effort. Made of durable aluminum with laser-engraved markings, it ensures precise measurements. Lightweight and efficient, it is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking accuracy in woodworking tasks. The Woodpeckers Cross Dowel jig simplifies woodworking joinery tasks. It features adjustable guides for accurate dowel and bolt alignment, working with various dowel sizes. The inch and metric scales provide versatility, while its durable construction ensures lasting performance. Made in the USA, this jig is ideal for professionals and hobbyists needing reliable and precise results. The Worx Nitro cordless brad nailer delivers powerful and precise nailing with innovative air impact technology. It fires nails up to 2 inches into hardwood and can fire 80 nails per minute. Compatible with Worx Power Share batteries, it offers cordless convenience. Designed with a tool-free jam release, this versatile tool is perfect for trim work and paneling projects.